Physical properties are used to observe and describe matter, and they can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. In this table, the physical properties of 3 gemstones are shown. Transparency is a physical property that describes whether or not light passes through a material. Transparent materials allow light to pass through, translucent materials allow light to pass through diffusely, and opaque materials allow almost no light to pass through. Certain gemstones, such as rubies, sapphires, and emeralds, as seen in this diagram, can have transparencies that range from transparent to opaque. The melting point describes the temperature at which a solid becomes a liquid, and the boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid boils and turns into vapor. Both these values are at standard atmospheric pressure. The boiling and the melting points of gemstones differ, but are overall very high. Density is a material's mass per unit volume and is measured in grams per centimeter cubed. You can also think of it as how closely packed or how crowded the material appears to be. For example, the picture on the right is more dense than the picture on the left. Malleability describes a material's ability to be shaped by hammering without rupturing or cracking. Ductility is a material's ability to be drawn into wires with the ability to change shape without breaking. Gemstones are brittle. When subjected to enough stress, even the hardest gemstones, such as diamonds, will break with comparatively smooth fractures. You never hear about emeralds or rubies being compressed into thin sheets by being hammered, and you certainly never hear about diamonds or sapphires being drawn into wires. Mohs scale of mineral hardness provides a definition for the hardness of different materials. It measures the ability of one natural sample of matter to scratch another. The minerals that samples are compared against are arranged in order from 1 to 10, and organized in a table where diamonds are at the bottom. The hardness of gemstones differ very much. There are gemstones such as pearls, which have a Mohs hardness of approximately 2.3, and then there are other gemstones, such as diamonds, the hardest known naturally occurring material with a Mohs hardness of 10. This variety in hardness makes different gemstones useful for different applications. The way that light interacts with the surface of a rock, mineral, or crystal is defined as luster. Most gemstones have a vitreous luster, which means that they resemble glass. They are glassy. Gemstones also differ in color and are often famous for these vibrant colors. The crystal structure of gemstones also differ. The structure that they have determines some of their properties.
Wow! I learned a lot about gemstones.
But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend.